Okay, we're going to present the following topics: sustainable agriculture in northern Mexico to face climate change.
Who is we?
Carolina, Federico.
The group?
We come from the University of Chihuahua.
Chihuahua.
They're partners.
Thank you.
Okay. No dependió. Worldwide.
Yeah.
Is it working? Okay. So 90% of the farms in the world are family-owned. And if they are family-owned, many of those families don't have good services and markets. That is the case for Chihuahua. Chihuahua is also composed of a lot of farms which are family-owned. In Chihuahua, we have a lot of agriculture, 1.1 million hectares, which makes a good profit. And we have several crops which in nationwide we are the first place. These are some examples: walnut, apple, alfalfa, and there are also all other important crops such as watermelon, and all of them are grown in Chihuahua under both regimes, rain-fed and irrigated agriculture. It's 44 and 56% respectively. And here's to show the spatial distribution. So Chihuahua is the largest state of Mexico, and we have low places with low altitudes, arid regions, and we also have forest. And it is well documented that Chihuahua is well known because of its high biodiversity, and many species are endemic. However, the way we manage agriculture may be not the best way, because the agriculture in Chihuahua is affecting the ecosystems and affecting the biodiversity. Specifically in Conchos, the watershed of Conchos, 95% of its riparian areas are agriculture is performed over there. And this place is a Ramsar site. It means it is important for migratory birds, so we must conserve it. We need to take care of them. We must not destroy it. However, agriculture in Chihuahua is facing many problems. Here we are showing two graphs. Nationwide, it's showing how the precipitation is behaving from 1978 to 2011. This information from 2007 to 2016, we pulled it out from aWhere. So that one is showing how the precipitation is lowering considerably. This one is telling us how in Chihuahua the precipitation is very erratic. So to make agriculture, it's kind of tough. And since precipitation is low, we use a lot of wells. And that graph, I took it from the material that was shown to us during the week, how the groundwater, we are basically spending all of it. We're finishing it. So we need to conserve that. We also have a lot of erosion problems. That map is showing the degree of erosion. So in Chihuahua, we have in some places severe erosion levels. And as we all may know, if erosion keeps increasing, we are going to have really problems with our production on our yields.
Negative effects of agrochemicals. In Mexico, an impact on human and animal health is happening from the excessive use of agrochemicals, their improper handling and disposal of their packaging. It produces pollution or resistant pest, phytotoxicity, decreased plant development, negative effects on wildlife, soil, water, and air pollution. Well, the major agrochemicals that are affecting our state are 2,4-D, Virgian, Tamara, Lindane, Captain, and Melifine. They provoke pollution and soil erosion. Actually, they are affecting the bees pollution, population, And Chihuahua State has contributed with an estimated reduction of 30% of these populations in the western region. And they generate red delicious apple production and 70% for plants life or another wildlife too. And we know that without bees we can get pollination, and without pollination we can get food. So it's one reason that we need to improve techniques in adequate socioeconomic, legal, and administrative framework.
So besides those problems, we're also facing climate change issues. This is from the World Bank, and it is a scenario where the representative path, the RCP is 4.5. That model we're doing the SIM 5, and it is basically forecasting that we're going to have an increase of 2 degrees C, and the precipitation in the region of Chihuahua may lower 80 millimeters or so. So that's quite a lot. It's about 20% decrease. This is a scenario for 2080. I took it from the material that was given to us. And it is also saying that we're going to have hotter summers and drier winters. So all that, and this one is information from the United States. However, these places are close to us. And in 2011, we also have a very low temperature event in February 2011. So if you see all that, all the problems that we face in Chihuahua in terms of the agricultural industry, they are complex. We need more technology, a lot of climate variability. We need to implement better strategies. The market is also a problem. So then how can we help our producers over there? So the objective of our project is to facilitate processes of innovation and technology transfer in rural, urban, and peripheral areas of Chihuahua. We want to contribute to implement actions of adaptations and mitigation of the small Chihuahuan agriculture to climate change. How are we going to do that? Well, first, our population objectives are going to be producers dedicated to this crop. The basic ones, such as corn and beans, vegetables, and fruits. Small producers. What are we going to teach them or transfer them? Encourage rainwater harvesting, efficient household wastewater treatment, and water use in urban and peripheral areas. We're going to perform demonstrations and make technology transfer regarding soil conservation in urban and the peripheral agricultural systems. So we are going to make technology transfer and demonstrations about the elaboration and use of biofertilizers. We are going to make technology transfer and demonstration about the use of alternative energy systems and in their production units, and also about the use of efficient materials and techniques so they can have a more sustainable agriculture. So we're going to innovate in several areas, but basically we want them first. We need to teach them how to do it. We need to also make it. We need to build systems so we can bring them to the university. We can show them how they do, and in the long term, we want them to adapt those technologies. So it's a lot of work, but it's the way we see it. So with the help of academic people, we have a problem statement, and we're going to take innovations so the producers, organizations, the government, and homes, they adapt them. They adapt such technologies. So first, since we don't have a lot of time, we need to teach them. Then we need to show them how to do it, and then we need to take them so they adapt that technology. This is the way we see it, and thank you very much.